Alright guys, it's time edge. I'm just breaking down a trade I took this morning, 8 a.m. on Monday the 28th. This is the index futures triad, and basically I'm just giving you a quick breakdown of what I saw and how I profile the market. So let's start on a weekly. I'm bullish on the weekly because of these three assets: close, change of state of delivery above, daily profile as well. So we've got 2 out of the 3 assets change in state of delivery closed above, so I'm expecting higher prices. So I want to be a buyer below the open when London opens. Let's drop out to the 1 hour. All right, it's gone too far forward. Let's just play price there. Okay, so what have we got here? Prices expanded in Asia. That means we're profiling the market. We expect a accumulation really, so hence why I didn't take my target all the way to previous day's high. It's not something I do all the time. It's just Monday's probably not the best day to trade anyway, so I took my profits and run basically. So price has opened, YM's dropped below Asia low, we've got divergence, so that would be a divergence sequential SMT. If we drop out into the 15 minute, so you'll see what I mean. Is so there we can see sequential SMT, sequential SMT, sequential SMT. That's how the indicator works. Go back to the 1 hour, let's play price. So my idea would be to take out Asia high, and now we do this kind of displaced through all of this, so I'm expecting longs. So what we need to see, the 1 hour CRT model, I want to see a breach of this sell side liquidity to take out the high. Let's drop it down to the 1 minute time frame, which is our entry time frame for a microcycle, which pairs lovely with the 1 hour CRT. Okay, so all assets have wicked below the low. We've got no sequential SMT. Need to drop out to the 5 minute. Okay, we don't have a 5 minute PSP. Let's go again. Okay, this candle is a 5 minute PSP. It's quite large, this candle, so what I did, I thought I was going to refine my entry. Although you could take this long position, buy stop above, stop loss is quite chunky. Not really for me, to be honest. I'm looking for a more refined approach. So I know how NQ behaves. I know we're going to fill this wick as a draw, and then we're going to probably bounce off that if I'm correct with my idea. So I can just refine that a little bit. Let's play price. Right, we've displaced through a level. That's a clear fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. We've displaced through it, closed above. I'm now confident in this level here to be hit, and then look for a long entry. Let's keep playing price. Okay, so we got a touch. What I would normally do is just drop down to the 5 seconds and just wait for a 5 seconds displacement, confirm the level, right? So price is tapped in, we've displaced above. We could get in now, long position, stop loss below, and target up there. Let's go out to the little M1. Let's play price. So price moves. I think on my TikTok I got a later entry than this, but I'm just doing this as a trade process. You can have a look where I got entered. I got filled on this candle because I took a different kind of entry, which I just waited for the 50% to be hit. So you could have had that, or you wait for this candle to be this range, sorry, let's move that out of the way. You wait for this range to be hit the 50%, and then you take that like that, stop loss below the low, target the high, liquidity above them highs. As you see, we're playing price. My target would be above them, and it's Monday, and Asia has expanded, so that's the reason for my target. That's the reason, just above that buy side liquidity above there. I wasn't going to shoot for the moon, but you could have gone for previous day's high, and it did get tapped, but I'm happy in and out and in the market on the Monday, and I made profit. As you can see, we hit take profit. And on my TikToks and my socials you can see that I posted the entry. So yeah, thank you. I hope this helps people. It's breaking down my process. I'm going to start doing live soon on Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. And please like and subscribe if you want anything, or you need me to break down anything a bit further, anything to do with process, add to the comment section and I'll do my best to get back to you.